Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete an app in Windows 11. So, in this tutorial, you will learn how to safely and the cleanest and easiest method to delete an app from laptop or desktop. So, to do that, we need to search for settings, or you can simply do the right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Once you open the settings window, it should look like this. And here, the sixth option from the top is apps. So we need to click on that. And there you will find installed apps and default apps. So we need to go to this installed apps and wait for a while, at least for 5 seconds, let it scan, and it will show you how many apps have been installed or found. Once you are done, you just need to, let's say if I want to uninstall PC Manager or any other app, then I just need to click on the three dots next to it, and then I just need to click on uninstall. You can also go to the advanced options, and there you can reset or clean. So this is how you can, once you're done with this, you just need to restart your computer as well. So you just need to click on the three dots and uninstall. Okay. So do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to uninstall or delete an app in your laptop or desktop or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. And if no, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.